So I have a pair of your oven-safe gloves.
Okay.
And I wound up gifting them to like everyone I know. Everybody I know uses them.
They love
but
them, right?
I haven't seen them in fun decor. Mine just have the cute little polka dots on them. I use them almost every single day. So today we have 2 pairs of the oven safe gloves. So now we're talking 4 gloves here.
Wow.
At a sale price of between $14.98 and $16.98.
I'm David Venable right now.
You had $3.40 on your Easy Pay. It is K54412.
This is what David does.
He shows.
He puts one pair, I can't put it over my microphone, but he puts one pair
To
here.
show that you're getting
and
4 gloves.
And he goes like this.
Of course he does.
Hi, David.
4 gloves. Shipping for free. This is such an amazing gift. I'm telling you, I've gifted it to so many people that I know, but now that we have it in these really cute, like,
candy cane
motifs.
I mean, how cute is this, right? And great stocking stuffer, by the way, because you just like put them right in there, so easy breezy.
Okay, we're gonna go through all of the different colors. We're gonna take you to QVC.com though. Okay, what do we got here, Jonathan? Here's your pumpkin patch. Here's green, gray damask, black, blue, confetti.
Yeah.
Ooh, believe.
Yes.
I love these candy canes.
I
They're
love
so
these,
cute.
love these, love these.
Here's your lights. Ooh, trees. Candy corn. Oh my gosh, there's so many. There's your classic harvest. You have confetti!
We do. We do.
And then we have yellow. Now, the yellow is the markdown opportunity. $14.98 saves you $2 off of the other sale price. We have holly berry. And oh, those are cute. Finally, we have it in the gray reindeer.
I love those.
Sizes small and large, 13 color choices, and oh, look how sweet they are. This is K54412. I use them everywhere in my house, not just for hot things.
I totally agree with you. And here's the thing. They are so cute. We just showed you. You're getting 4 gloves. There's no right, there's no left. There's silicone on both sides. Not only do you get a great hold on your dish, but you can open up jars with it as well.
Yes, you can.
Why do you hear a whistling tea kettle? Because here's what I want to show you. I can take a tea kettle and put it onto my hand right there. At some point, I don't feel anything yet, honestly. You will start to feel some warmth. May I put it on your hand?
Yes, you may.
There you go. There you go. Why can you do that with our gloves? It's the construction
I don't feel anything yet.
On the inside.
Tiniest bit of warmth. Tiniest bit.
This is why it's a kitchen essential, because this is all about safety in the kitchen. So this is all about the layer upon layer of this combed cotton construction right here. That is what allows no heat transfer right there. Do you see how thick that is?
Yep.
And you see how it's combed a few different ways. So it goes across, it goes up and down. That's why no heat goes through. So when you're doing your everyday tasks in the kitchen, you can't see the technology on the inside.
I'm still holding it, by the way.
But,
and it's still all right.
But you know your hands are safe.
I'm feeling safe.
And these are great, I just want to tell you, all year long, right?
Yeah.
Because whether you're at the grill, this is why it's great for guys, it's great for girls, it's great for anybody, because when you're at the grill and you want to do things like turn things over, right, on the grill.
Well, it gives you dexterity.
Yes.
You can move things, you can grab things, you can move your fingers.
Good call, yes. And even like cooking in the kitchen, right? When it comes to when we want to turn our bacon and things like that, right? We have the right tool in the kitchen. And look, I can then hold it up.
Yep.
And if I want to put my hand underneath, do you see that right there?
I do it all the time.
Look at that.
I do. They're so brilliant.
Right?
They really, really are.
Is
Plus,
this
you
what,
get
what
protection.
do you love most about it?
Well, I just love that like I said, I have the dexterity. I can move, I can grab things.
Yes.
You know what I use it for?
What's that?
When I put up my artificial Christmas tree and I move all my branches around.
Oh, yes.
Because it gets so, it like digs into you. I use it for that.
That's such a good idea.
I need to take everyone through choices because there's a lot. Remember, getting your 2 pairs of your choice. So let's go. We have it in pumpkin patch. That's going to be your first pumpkin patch. There's green, gray damask, black, blue, bee leaf, confetti, candy cane, lights, trees, candy corn. Those look cool. Here's classic harvest. Here's confetti. Of course that one's been super popular. Here is your gray reindeer, holly berries, and yellow choice is that markdown at $14.98. Ships for free. Everybody needs them. Everybody uses them.
Does.
Everybody loves them.
Yeah.
You get that added protection up your wrist as well.
All the way.
So when you are reaching into the oven,
Yes.
no metal rack is going to accidentally get you.
That's exactly right. And I know you can't see all the way down here, but I want to tell you something. You can literally bump up against the inside of the oven.
Yeah.
You can pull the rack out, and when you want to take a dish out of a 500-degree oven, I feel safe and secure. I'm going to walk around to the front, you guys, because I just want to show you how great this is as a trivet, too.
Oh, yeah, I do that, too.
So we have two sets, right? So the set that you're not using, literally take 2 gloves, and now this is your trivet. And by the way, look at this. It's not going to slide.
I know.
You can't move this because of the silicone. When you need to wash them, machine wash, lay them. I lay them on top of my dryer to dry.
Okay.
Because you know how the top of your dryer gets
Gets nice and
a little bit warm.
Now there are 2 sizes, small and a large. Any
Yes.
call outs on that?
Yeah, no, honestly, they're so forgiving. So
Yeah, they are.
A,
Are
a
these
small
the
is like
small?
a small medium. You and I have the smalls
Okay.
on.
Lots of
The
room.
large is like a large, extra large. But I have to tell you something. I've worn the large, no problem at all. My
Okay.
husband uses a large, but I can too.
Yeah.
So don't get, my point is,
Yeah.
don't get too hung up on it.
Yeah, it's
really.
not a big deal.
Look how, but you know
love
what?
these.
And they make you smile. And if you're cooking with your grandkids or you have people over, you just have that put together look. Like I just have on a coordinating apron, right? But don't I look
so
put
cute.
together if I was going to bring stuff like right
Yeah.
out to my holiday
Yeah.
table?
And they work though, is the thing.
That's
Like,
right?
They also work. They're adorable and they work. All right, one more time. All the colors, all the choices. Here we
Got
go.
it.
Buckle up, baby. All right, this is pumpkin patch, green, gray damask, black, blue, confetti, believe, candy cane, lights, trees, candy corn, classic harvest. There's Pawfetti, yellow, which is your markdown opportunity, $2 off. There's your holly berry. And finally, the gray reindeers, K54412. I love those gloves. I feel like now that I see all these new patterns too,
I
that,
know.
like, I can't have enough of them.
Doesn't it get you so excited?
Yeah,
I know.
it does. I am really excited.